Ayan guys, welcome back po muli dito po sa atin pong Mountain Channel. Ayan, All Sports. At ito na po ang continuation ng laban ni Alex Ayala at ni Jessica Pigola na nasuspended kagabi dahil sa malakas na ulan. At ito na, panoorin na po natin ito mga kababayan ko. At ito na po yan. Ayan o. Ayan, 3 ito guys. Ayan na. Umpisa na naman sila.
When you're feeling down, let the time fly away. So many times I've been here before, now I'm feeling alright. No need to try, just relax and take a deep breath. Look inside to try and find a way out. And grab it, that's the way out.
Ayan o. Uy, nangyari. Ba't lumihis? Huy, yun lang. Ayun o. Ayan pa. Ayan o yun. Nawala kanina yung scoreboard. Ayan, buti bumalik. Ayun. 30. Volt. Ayan na. Nag-rally na naman sila. Uy, tumalon yung bola.
Look inside to try and find a way out. And grab it, that's the way out.
Ayan na. Nag-rally na naman sila. Ayun, yes. Ayan. 40 na. Si Jessica na naman ang mag-serve. Ayan o. Ayan na. Oh no.
Yeah. When you're feeling down, let the time fly away. So many times I've been here before, now I'm feeling
Uy.
alright. No need to
Parehas yung playing style nitong dalawa eh. Nagkaparehas. Yan o. O yun. Paul. Yari ka. Ay!
Times I've been here before, now I'm feeling alright. Don't need to try, just relax and take a deep breath. Look inside to try and find a way out.
Yan na. Ayan oh. Uy. Fault. Iyan na oh. Double fault. Ay. Counted, Alex. Ayan na. Ayan. 40 love. Mauuna na si Alex sa 5. O ayan, yes. Yari ka na. Yari ka dito. Yeah, ay! Out! Hit and all. Fault. Kuha ni Alex. Kuha yan. Nako, yun lang. Ayan oh. Parehas talaga yung kanilang playing style oh.
So many times I've been here before, now I'm feeling alright. Don't need to try, just relax and take a deep breath. Look inside to try and find a way.
Ayan out. Kuha ni Alex to. Yan na. Ito na. Ayan na. Naibalik pa ni Alex. Ayan lang. Yes! Umpisa na ulit ng third set. Fault out. 15 love.
When you're feeling down, let the time fly away. So many times I've been here before, now I'm feeling alright. Don't need to try, just relax and take
Ay,
a deep breath. Look inside to try
out. Uy, mahangin yata. Ayan, yari ka. Uy, nakuha niya pa ulit. Yun lang. Pare-parehas talaga yung kanilang style. Ayan, out. Yung kanilang placing ay talagang parehas, guys. Oo. Yung mga ball placing. Ayan. Fault.
when you're feeling down, let the time fly away. So many times I've been here before, now I'm feeling alright. Don't need to try, just relax and take a deep breath. Look inside to try and find a way out. And grab it, that's the way out.
Ayan na. Ayan! Kung sa resistensya yung usapan, mas maresistensya dito si Alex Ayala dahil bata pa, only 21 years old. While Jessica Pigola is already 32 years old. Ayan oh! Uy, nakuha niya! Oh no! Ayan, siya na naman ang magsiserve. Uy! Kuha si Alex. Ayan! Yes! Kinakabahan na guys si ate. Oo. Ate Jessica. Kinakabahan na. Ayan oh. Ayan. Ito pa. Ibabalik yan ni Alex. Ayun! lang, medyo mala. 10:30. Out. Ayun, hindi. Yari ka ngayon. Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan, out, yes! 2-0. Ace. Muntik na. Ayan na, oh. Ayan, oh. Pari-parehas talaga yung kanilang playing style, guys. So, yes! Ayan na. 30. Yun, oh. Muntik na kuhan yun. Nag-ace. Ayan. Kuha pa yan. Ayun, out. Yes, 40 na. Ace, ace. Uy. Nakialam na naman yung Nate. Ikaw talaga, Nate, ha? Yan na. Pasok. Ayun, oh. Uy, ace. Nakuha. Yun, out. Si Alex. Nakuha yung ace ni Alex, ah. Ayan, oh. Ay, nakuha pa. Pambihira. Layo-layo niya na eh. Yan na. Nag-rally na naman sila. Yes! 3-0. Akala ko ulan na naman. Ayan, fault. Uy! Sumabit si Alex doon. Yan na. Out! Uy! Pasok? Hindi. Fault. Yan na. Ayun! Tumulong. Ayan na. $15.30. Yes, pasok. Pasok pa yan. Pasok! Uy, nakuha pa uli. Yari ka na. Ayan, yes. Out. Bolt, bolt. Uy, yan, nakuha ni Alex yun, oh. Ayun lang. Narong siya doon. Ace. Ayan. Layo, 40. Ayan na, lumipad na naman. Ayan, nakuha, oh. Nakuha pa yan, yes. Uy, ace. Ay, hindi. Out yun, out. Ayan na. Ayan ka na. Yari ka. Kuha yan ni Alex. Kuha niya pa yan. Ayan oh. Ayan na, ibalik pa. Ayun! Ayun lang. Nako, isa na lang sana. Idola, great competitor daw si Alex eh. Ayan, full. Yan na. Ayan ka na. Relax, Alex. Ayan! Yes! Champion!